Hi, everybody. It's core word time. Yes! Core word time. Core word time. Huh. I'm glad you're excited about core words. Today, the word is not. Not? Yep. So we're going to use it for not like. We can shake our heads. We can use the symbol for not. And it means that is not my choice. That is not my favorite. Or I do not want it. That's what not means. All right, how are you going to show everybody? Well, I got some items. First off, I have some binoculars. Oh, cool. I like it. Oh, okay. So that is a good one. Let me see. Ooh, I see kids. Hi, kids. I'm so glad that one is a favorite. Okay, how about this? Do you like handheld games? Ouch. Sorry. Not like. No. That is not a favorite. Okay, thanks for telling me what you don't like. How about this? Do you like trucks? Yeah, I like trucks. I like playing with trucks. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Okay, so that is a favorite. How about this? Do you like loud blasters? Not like. No. Okay. Too loud for me. Okay, that one is not a favorite. Okay. Do you like a soccer ball? Not like. No. Okay, that is not a favorite. I have one more thing. Whoa! What is that? It is a dragon. Wow, he's big. I think I like this guy. Hi, buddy. We can be on the show together. You can if you want to. Okay, I guess we found something that Petri really enjoys. I like this one. All right, keep him. But I don't want those other things. This is the one. All right, I'm glad you found a little buddy. And I'm glad you were paying attention for the word not today. I still hear him. He must still want to play. Okay. I'm going to go play with him. Bye. Bye.